Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about Postgres services. We will see how to start, stop, restart and reload the Postgres. This is very important for the database administrators. Okay? And for 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 that we use one utility called system CTL. We use utility called system CTL. Okay, I have this OS CentOS, and here I have Linux OS, and I have installed Postgres already in this system. Here I opened the terminal. Okay, and I maximize the terminal. Okay, so what is system CTL? Systemctl is a Linux system command, and it is used to control services in Linux. With this systemctl, we can start, stop, reload, and check the status of the services. Postgres run as we know that Postgres run as a service in the Linux, right? So we can manage Postgres using systemctl. Okay. So let's see first command. If I want to know the current running services in the server, okay, then I need to run systemctl list hyphen units is equal to units hyphen type is equal to service. Sorry, is service, not services. So I will get all the running services on the server. Okay. Here this active means this service is running properly, and the process is working in the background of this service. Okay. If it is inactive, that means the service is stopped. Okay, there is no process is running. It is active, and their status is excited. That means the service has finished its work. That means it start and then stop normally. Some services work only once and exit like that. If it is active and excited, this means it it start and has finished its work. And as you know, the fail means the service need to start. It is fail and there is some error. Okay. So this is the way you can check the services of the server in the server which are currently running, and we check the status through their status like active, inactive, failed, or active excited. Okay. And if you want to know more about this, then you need to run the systemctl list hyphen unit hyphen files type is equal to service. Yeah, this command give the exact state of your service. Okay, there is the state is enabled, disabled, or a statistic. This command tells what happened when system starts. Enable means this enabled means this service will start automatically when the system reboot or system boot. Okay. Second is disable. Disable means this system will not start automatically. We must start it manually. Okay. And third is static static not statistic, sorry, it's static. Static means this service cannot start by itself. We need to run through we need to start it. Okay, understood. There are three main state of each service. Okay, now now I want to know the Postgres things, right? So through this we need to search our Postgres service. So we need to run the systemctl grep Postgres. It give your service status or service details like Postgres 17 dot service loaded, active and running. Okay. Now we we will we want to learn how to start, stop, reload, restart and know the status of Postgres, right? So the first, if you first how to check the Postgres status. For that I need to run sudo systemctl status of PostgreSQL. Yeah, currently or 70. You can run like that. Okay. So in this through this command sudo systemctl status Postgres or their version 17. In this command check whether the status of Postgres, whether the the service is running or stop. If it is active, that means it is running and it's working fine. If it is inactive, that means it's stopped. Okay. So currently my service is active and it is running and it gives the time since from its run this service and their active and there it give also a time. It also give you a PIID process ID like 1123. If I want to stop stop this service, then I need to run the sudo systemctl. Okay, again start it, then clear. I want to stop the services, then I need to run sudo systemctl stop Postgres 70. The service will be stopped. If I want to check the status, then you see you see the status. There is active, inactive or dead. And how 7 seconds ago I stopped this service. Okay. So we can stop their service through sudo systemctl stop Postgres 17. Once you stop the services, all the user will be disconnected. no one can access the database, right? And we use this during maintenance and server shutdown. We use this command during the maintenance or server shutdown. You need to be careful before run this command. Okay. Now I am again start this service through. Now how to start? Then for start you need to run sudo systemctl start. Sudo systemctl start postgres hyphen version 70. It's started. If you want to check again the status of these services, now there it is active and it is run. Okay. Now if I want to restart my service, okay, once if I want to restart my service, then I need to run systemctl restart postgres 17. Okay, restart means it stop and then start again. For that the all user will be disconnected. We use restart after changing some configuration. If it is restart and if you see the status of this, then it gives currently it is active and restart. Okay. Then sometime if we need to change the configuration setting, that time we need to reload the Postgres, right? If you change some Postgres config file and if you want to reload the services, that means it refresh the Postgres configuration setting, right? So it does not stop the server or user will not be disconnected. This is the safest side than the restart. Okay, so how we can do that? We just type sudo systemctl reload postgres and then version 70. It is reloaded. Okay, if you check the status, then it is reloaded. And if you want if you want to enable auto start postgres while boot the server, okay, if you want enable postgresql to start on boot, that time we need to run sudo systemctl enable 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 postgresql 70. It enabled. This command makes Postgres start automatically when the server boots. Okay, Postgres will be start automatically itself if you run sudo systemctl enable Postgres hyphen 70, whatever your version. And if you want to do the opposite is you just do the sudo systemctl disable Postgres and your folder. Remove Postgres. Now my status will be disable. Okay, while starting the Postgres. This is the way we can start, stop, restart or reload the Postgres services by using the systemctl command. Okay, thank you for watching this video.